হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলে সবাইকে সুস্বাগতম। বর্তমান সময়ে পরীক্ষা একটি চ্যালেঞ্জের বিষয়, তাই বিভিন্ন ধরনের পরীক্ষা যেমন নেট, সেট, পিএসসি, ডাব্লিউবিসিএস, এসএসসির মতো পরীক্ষা ক্র্যাক করতে এই ধরনের ভিডিও অবশ্যই দেখতে হবে। তাই চলুন দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক।
সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন প্রতিনিয়ত ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য।
Hello friends, today we know about A.C. Swanerton. Henry Ward Swanerton was born in 1875 and died 1966. Henry Ward Swanerton, that means A.C. Swanerton, was a British geologist, not to be confused with American geologist A.C. Swanerton. He was professor of geology at University College, Nottingham from 1910 to 1946. Swanerton was educated at the Royal College of Science and earned doctorate in geology from the University of London in July 1902. So, A.C. Swanerton and Henry Ward Swanerton is a term. Here we may be confused, but we remember about these two persons. In the second para, in the 1930s, Swanerton was a member of the Finland Research Committee. Here Swanerton means Henry Ward Swanerton, and contributing valuable knowledge of the geomorphology of the Lincolnshire coast. In 1942, he was awarded the Mercier Medals of the Geological Society of London. Here we know about Henry Ward Swanerton and also A.C. Swanerton is so much important. Next slides we know about some points, other importance points he gives, that means A.C. Swanerton. Here we know that he gave the water table theory, that means A.C. Swanerton, in the year 1932. He gave the water table theory, A.C. Swanerton, 1932. And the other one, he writes the books, that means Henry Ward Swanerton write a book, The Earth Beneath Us, in the year 1955 and 56. About water table theory, which is propounded by A.C. Swanerton. Here we know about some short note about water table theory. The water table theory of karst conduit development was advanced primarily by Swanerton 1932 upon observation of the overwhelming majority of horizontal cave passage arrangement. Swanerton 1932 hypothesized that passage development must take place near the water table surface and especially in the vertical region of fluctuations of the water table from periodic table. It is theorized this water moves along the water table to base level. The largest movement occurs in the shallow phreatic zone near the water table surface. With this large mass transport occurring in such a limited locations, the majority of dissolution will thus occur in these horizontal positions, eventually developing a conduit systems. This is further strengthened by a stable water table surface, in which flow is allowed to migrate down the hydraulic gradient toward base level over a sufficient period of time. And the second para, the water table theory is also supported by the observation of tiered caves. A tiered caves is one in which there are several levels of nearly horizontal cave passages. White suggests a causal relationship between the coincidence of passage, level, and river traces. He concludes there to be a correlation between the position of local base level and the position of water table in the evolution of drainage systems. Davis hypothesized this in his theory of shallow phreatic conduit development, in which the cave levels formed at the water table source of the maturing river valley base level. Davis and White related river trace to caves found in the Potomac River Valley. Others such as Sweating and Dropa have also found the same type of correlation in Warwickshire, England, and in Dimanova Valley, Yugoslavia, respectively. So, here we know about some short note water table theory, which was given by A.C. Swanerton. If you miss some contents, please rewatch this video. Thank you for watching my video.
সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমার স্কুল চ্যানেলকে এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন প্রতিনিয়ত ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখার জন্য।